Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Salwa. I'm a student of English Department at Faculty of Humanities in Universitas Komputer Indonesia. Thank you for having me. Today, I'm going to talk about writing essay. The purpose of my talk is mostly to share some perspective on how to easily make an essay with the right structure. Therefore, I really hope that in the next 5 minutes, I will be able to finish the presentation. Okay, anybody knows what is essay? Well, if no one knows yet, on this slide, I will explain what points I will discuss at the presentation. The first point is framing. I will explain about what is an essay. The second point is verb forms. I will explain each part of the essay. The third point is formulating. I will reformulate a good structure when writing essay. And the last point is Q&A session. I will be happy to answer questions at the end of my presentation. So, the essay can be likened to a burger. A burger cannot be said to be a burger if one of its parts is missing. The same as an essay. If one of the structure is not applied, then the writing cannot be called an essay. That is the first thing I wanted to share with you. Now, let's see how to make it into a good essay. It covers the introduction, body, and conclusion. Let's see, what essay is like a burger? So yeah, we can see here is a top bun as introduction, mid as a body, and bottom bun as conclusion. Each one paragraph contains about 4 until 7 sentences. For the introduction, we only need to make one paragraph. The introduction paragraph of an essay should be both attention-grabbing and informative. To learn how to write an essay introduction, you first need all the necessary information required to tell the reader about the main idea of your essay. For the body, we need 2 until 5 paragraphs because in this section we will focus on the discussion. The body of an essay describes or explains your topic. Each idea that you write in the outline will be a separate paragraph within the body of the essay. Since the body is made up of multiple paragraphs, it is important that they are consistent with one another. Each body paragraph starts with a topic sentence. For those who don't know what is topic sentence, it is the first sentence that describes the main purpose of each paragraph. The topic sentence forms a transition between the body paragraphs. Use transition to introduce new paragraphs such as firstly, secondly, thirdly, finally, moreover, furthermore, in addition, etc. The last conclusion, we only need one paragraph. The conclusion sums up the overall ideas and provides a final perspective on the topic. Concluding your essay holds the same importance as the introductory paragraph. For writing a perfect essay in conclusion, provide a futuristic overview, persuade your reader about your point of view, and restate the thesis statement. The next slide, I will show you the correct structure to make an essay. What should we do at this step? At the pre-writing step, we must make a list, free-writing, and questioning. For doing research, we must do your research and make an outline. For writing your first draft, we must put additional thoughts or information and develop your content with plenty of specific details. For revising, we must revising content and revising sentence. Last is editing. We must check the grammar, punctuation, typo, spelling, and careless error. That brings us to the proper way of making essay. That leads to the end of my presentation today. I need to remind you again that how to make an essay is not difficult. It only has 5 steps in making to completion. So, ladies and gentlemen, next time you want to write an essay, try to include the structure one by one so that it becomes a good essay and can be understood by the reader. Maybe that's all of my presentation for today. Thank you for all your attention. Sorry if there are many mistakes. Now, I'm inviting you all to ask questions about writing essay, please.